Speak fast and clear.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard.
Speak fast and clear.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard Flight 237 with service. I love you guys. And I will be one of your flight attendants today. We are delighted to have you with us and we hope you enjoy the flight. Before we take off, please make sure you're sitting. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Cebu Pacific Air. Welcome to Manila. On behalf of your flight crew, we invite Captain Ezra with first officer
Turbulence boarding now.
Welcome to Evergreen Boarding House. This is prepared boarding house announcement for boarders. PR75. So, may pagda. We are... Welcome to my Bangtan Airlines. This boarding house announcement for boarders. And we are now inviting those students with a small budget. Press Welcome to Maria Lane Boarding House. This is a pre-boarding announcement for boarders. Welcome to Evelyn Boarding House in my Bangtan. This is the pre-boarding announcement for students. We are now inviting those students in issue with low budget to board here.